double color beautiful Latkan designs. Join my channel. Free tailoring tutorial. Parrot green, peacock green fabric, pink saree, plain pink saree and peacock design. Triangle shape folding the dividing triangle shape dividing equal and pink color flower petal designs, flower petal rose. Any doubts tailoring, please comment. Any stitching problems, comment guys. Follow my channel, like and share. Thank you all for watching. Beautiful Latkan design. Double color use the fabric. Plain saree color, green color blouse piece. Thank you.